Okay.
This is
the saltine challenge. We're not starting.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Finally.
Okay. You gotta be ready.
We'll have to wait until I get to 20. Okay.
Okay. Oh my god. I don't think I can do 3.
I'm like, I am so like, saliva is coming up my mouth.
Okay.
Ready, set, go. Trisha, you're on like 1, and you said that it was possible. Looks like Kelly's doing the best. Oh, just kidding. David's done.
He's done?
You just asked yes to chainsaw. That could take
What's
another
the time?
30 seconds. You have 20 seconds. 20 seconds.
Oh. Oh my god.
Trisha is in last place. Yes, you are. And you're done. No one's done. You're still chewing. You have to have swallowed. Trisha was in last place. Look at that. Trisha sucks. And then